Hello everyone, today we'll discuss how the Supreme Court seeks tire companies' response in CCI appeal against NCLAT order for review of cartelization funding. Now what is CCI? The CCI is the Competition Commission of India, and what is NCLAT is National Companies Law Tribunal. The Supreme Court on Monday sought the response of 5 tire manufacturing companies in an appeal filed by the Competition Commission of India against the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal order that had asked the Commission to review the findings of cartelization by the companies. The CCI held in 2018 imposed a collective penalty of 1500 crore on the companies and the ATMA for indulging in cartelization. It had also passed a cease and desist order. The case against the tire manufacturers had been initiated based on a reference received from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, which in turn was based on a representation made by the All India Tire Dealers Federation. The CCI found that the companies and the association had acted jointly to increase the prices of cross-ply variants sold by each of them in replacement market and limited and controlled production and supply in the said market. The following penalties had been imposed: 425.53 crore on Apollo Tyres, 622.09 crore on MRF Limited, 252.16 crore on CIF Limited, 309.95 crore on JK Tyre, and 178.33 crore on Birla Tyres. 8.4 lakh on ATMA, along with an order to disengage and disassociate itself from collecting wholesale and retail prices through the member tire companies or otherwise.